In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm expecting the price of HLBZ to do, what I'm expecting it to go, and all the interesting stuff. So let's get right into the video. Just by looking at the weekly chart, we can clearly see how big of a downtrend NEO is actually in. But does that change anything? No. Uh, Now you might be confused what I'm talking about. Does that change anything? Because overall, my lower time frame, you're going to see I'm actually bullish. So, but here we never got a break on the weekly chart. So considering this to be bullish, just off of my overall system, but just by looking at the structure right here, we can see that we broke it on the. We had a pretty like beautiful break. Let's say 3 day. I think maybe even yeah, on the 3 day chart was a beautiful break. Now we have pretty big gap and demand area, and this is what I'm generally expecting the price to do. Again, bearish moves do make a lot of sense. This is why I started my video saying that. But overall, just by going on the 4 hour time frame, this is what my prediction is. I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below.